transforming retail supply chains, from inventory management to last mile delivery. AI, Martians, M. Kaveri, K. Vaishnavi, M. Mahita. Introduction. The importance of efficiency in retail supply chains. Modern retail supply chains integrate logistics, inventory management, and last mile delivery to ensure timely product availability. Leveraging technology enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and meets evolving consumer demands in a complex ecosystem. Technology-driven inventory management, predictive analytics and AI. AI-driven demand forecasting. Advanced AI algorithms analyze historical and external data to predict product demand, optimizing stock levels and reducing waste. Real-time inventory insights. Integration of IoT and RFID enables continuous inventory tracking, triggering automated replenishment to prevent shortages and overstock. Dynamic demand adaptation. Adaptive AI models recalibrate forecasts based on market changes, enabling agile inventory allocation and improved customer satisfaction. Bridging digital and physical retail. Adaptive omnichannel strategies. Seamless online and offline integration. Retailers are creating a unified shopping experience by blending online convenience within store. Benefits through real-time inventory and synchronized operations. Click and collect and inventory transparency. Click and collect services rely on real-time inventory tracking to provide accurate stock updates, enabling fast, convenient order pickup and minimizing delays. Hyper-local fulfillment centers. Strategically located fulfillment centers reduce delivery times and costs, offering faster shipping and flexible pickup options to boost customer satisfaction. Innovations in last-mile delivery. Challenges of last-mile logistics. Last-mile delivery is the most costly and complex supply chain segment, accounting for over 50% of logistics costs due to urban congestion and operational inefficiencies. Autonomous delivery. Autonomous vehicles with reduced emissions, improving efficiency despite regulatory and capacity challenges. AI-powered route optimization. AI optimizes routes using real-time data, cutting fuel use by up to 20% and enhancing delivery speed. Reliability and sustainability. Smart warehouses, robotics, IoT, and AI automation. Robotics and IoT enhance fulfillment. AI-powered robots automate picking, packing, and sorting, while IoT sensors provide real-time inventory visibility and environmental monitoring to optimize warehouse operations. AI automation minimizes waste and boosts precision. AI-driven demand forecasting and dynamic slotting optimize stock levels and warehouse layouts, reducing errors and downtime through predictive maintenance. Supply chain efficiency and responsiveness. Integration of robotics, IoT, and AI creates agile fulfillment centers that reduce costs, speed order processing, and improve customer satisfaction while supporting sustainability. Our solution: reducing inventory wastage and ensuring quality delivery. AI-driven inventory waste reduction. AI systems predict demand and monitor inventory in real time, minimizing spoilage and excess stock through data-driven replenishment and return management. Accelerated delivery with quality preservation. Advanced route optimization and local micro-fulfillment centers ensure fast delivery while IoT sensors maintain product quality during storage and transit. Seamless quality control integration in logistics. AI-powered quality control combined with smart warehouses and real-time tracking enhances accuracy, reduces errors, and improves customer satisfaction. Future outlook: creating seamless, adaptive, and ultra-efficient retail supply chains. Technological advancements in supply chains. Future supply chains will leverage enhanced AI for precise demand forecasting and inventory optimization, integrating diverse data sources to reduce waste and improve efficiency. Innovation in AI, automation, and delivery. Investment in scalable AI, automation, and autonomous delivery solutions will enable adaptive, efficient operations and faster, sustainable last-mile delivery. Vision for a sustainable retail ecosystem. The future retail ecosystem aims to minimize waste, maximize operational precision, and enhance customer experience through intelligent, adaptive supply chains. Thank you.